Hi friends, today I'm sharing the recipe of chicken fajita pizza with you, and the good thing about it, all the sauces and chicken fajita is homemade, so you don't have to purchase any ready-made sauce. So let's begin, and let me talk about the ingredient for pizza dough. So first of all we need all-purpose flour. I'm using 1.5 cup of flour. Take half cup of lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of fresh good quality yeast. Mix it well. Take 1 egg and beat it. Oil, we need 4 tablespoons. Take a big size bowl and mix the oil with the flour. Add 1 egg in the batter. I am separating some egg that I will brush at the topping of the pizza. Add the water of salt, sugar and yeast. Mix it well that it comes in the form of a dough. It will take a few time. Gradually I am adding the remaining water. That would be the yeast water. And after 5 minutes it will turn the shape of dough. Cover with a polythene sheet and let it rise for 30 minutes. So let me talk about the ingredients for chicken fajita. For that, I will use 1 cup of boneless cube cutted chicken. For the vegetables, I am using half slice cut onion. Next, I have 2 green chilies. Along with that, I have 1 raw tomato. You can add green and a red colored capsicum. I have tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. For the spices, I am adding a salt up to your taste, coriander powder half teaspoon, chaat masala powder quarter teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, red crushed chilies half teaspoon and red chili powder quarter teaspoon. Next we need 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of national vinegar, this is the white vinegar. So let's start the procedure. I have added 1 tablespoon of oil and we have to saute the garlic. Cook on a low flame. Add 1 cup of boneless cubed chicken and cook until its color turns white. Chicken is sauteed. Now add the spices. Mix it good. After 2 minutes, add yogurt in that. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes. And the remaining 2 tablespoons of yogurt have been added. Now add a quarter cup of water so that the chicken can be cooked. This is almost done. We have to cook for 30 minutes more. After that, we will add the vegetables. So it's perfectly cooked. Add the half of the vegetable in this stage. Mix it well. And the last step is to add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar in it. Now let me talk about the ingredient for pizza sauce. So firstly we need onion. We use half chopped onion. We will use the half teaspoon of chopped garlic. Take one large size of tomato, add quarter cup of water and blend it to make the paste. We will use 1 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of National tomato ketchup, a small piece of chicken cube. For the spices, I am using the full ingredient, that is the half teaspoon of chopped red chilies, half teaspoon of oregano, quarter teaspoon of black pepper and salt as per your taste. So let's begin the procedure. Take a pan and add oil, half teaspoon of chopped garlic. Cook for 30 seconds. Add half chopped onion. Mix it. After 30 seconds, add one large size of blended tomato. Mix it. In this step, I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of National tomato ketchup to make the more color and taste. Add all the spices, that is the salt, black pepper, crushed red chilies and oregano. Add chicken cube. Mix it. Cook for 2 minutes and the tomato sauce is ready. This is actually the pizza tomato sauce. Now let me talk about the ingredient for white sauce. So we need oil 1 tablespoon, fresh chopped garlic quarter teaspoon to half teaspoon. Take 2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon of oregano or ajwain, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder and half cup of fresh milk, a small piece of chicken cube. So let's begin the procedure. Add 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Add half tablespoon of chopped garlic. Cook for 30 seconds. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour. We need to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. After that we will let it cool so that all the lumps can be dissolved easily. So add half cup of milk and stir the spoon consistently. Add half cup of water and remove all the lumps. This is the time to add the chicken cube. So I have dissolved the chicken cube in a water first and then adding in the batter. So I have added the salt as per your taste and the chicken cube in this stage. Now the turn is of black pepper powder, oregano. Now mix it. We have to make a proper form of white sauce. So check the consistency of the sauce. It's perfectly cooking. Please make sure that there will be no lumps in your white sauce. So let me talk about the process for pizza. As it's almost 45 minutes and the dough is perfectly rised, turn the dough as the pizza base and set on the final dish which we'll use for baking. It should be thicker from the sides. So mark any kind of pattern if you want. And now cover the pizza base with the pizza tomato sauce. In that we will put a layer of white sauce. It's covered. Now this is the time to add the chicken fajita. Chicken fajita topping is set now. Now add the white sauce from top to make it more good and tasty. Put the remaining vegetable over the topping. Sprinkle some red chilies and oregano. For the sides, I have brushed with the oil and remaining egg. For the good shine and texture. So preheat the pot for 10 minutes and place this pizza dough after putting a stand in the pot. Cook for 15 minutes on the high flame and the pot was preheated for 10 minutes. After that you will get this stage. The pizza is perfectly cooked. You can cut the piece and it's perfectly ready for eating. Thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. I hope so you will try my recipe and let me know in a comment section how was your experience with this recipe. I'll meet you in the next video with some new recipe. Till then, take care and goodbye.